Hi, it's JC Bikes here, and I'm going to do a bike check on my United RN2. Start off at the front, we have Colt D-Hart grips. Pretty nice grips, I just got them last week, and Colt bar ends. And then I have the ASDE brake lever, it's pretty beat up. And then Flybike's brake cable, Flybike's somewhere on there. Then E-Clat barrel adjuster as well. And then I have the United RN2 bars. And then I have the stock United stem and headset. And then I also have and then down to the forks, United RN2 forks. Frame, recruit. And then my pedals are plastic Weldo B109 non-studded pedals. And then my chain is a half-link C4 chain. And then my saddle is just stock saddle, and the seat clamp is from the United warehouse bike as well. And then moving down to my brake pads are Clark see-through brake pads. And then to my back tyre is a Schwalbe Dirty Harry 20-inch. And then my hubs are just stock shitty hubs. And then, sorry, I forgot over here as well, are my standard 20-inch street front tyre. That's about it really. So yeah, thanks, subscribe and all that good shit.